So we have just finished a very interesting project. It's about the BMW G82 from 2021. We have installed the full FI exhaust, the downpipes, the catback, and the carbon tailpipes. Together with this, maybe some of you know, maybe some of you do not know this, the new ECUs are locked, so you cannot remap them, neither for power, OPF codes, or O2 codes, or anything. So we have found a solution to install downpipes or just the OPFs on any new BMW, even the new M5 F90 LCI, or if you have a M2 competition or you want to get rid of your OPF without remapping, we have the solution for you. So hit us up in the DMs or email or WhatsApp or whatever you want, and we will make it work out for you.
Cigarettes and tiny liquor bottles, just what you'd expect inside her new Balenciaga. Romance turned dreams into an empire, self-made success. Now she rolls with Rockefellers.
So now that everything is installed, let's hear this with the valves closed. How is it? Tell us in the comments down below. Let's take it for a spin.